The bottom, let's start the bottom. I'll start the bottom.
Okay.
Why?
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 Oh my god.
My feet are cold. My feet are cold. My hands are cold. This is so much fun. The light bulb?
The light. I think we should just put another light bulb in there to keep doing it.
Yeah, but we have to see what happens with this.
Yeah. People are gonna think we're crazy. Like, I can picture people, like, standing outside, like, walking or something, and I just see those light bulbs, like, inside a microwave turning purple.
I hate to break it to you, but we are crazy.
Shh. I don't have to know that.
Ah! That little light there, that's the light on the timer.
Oh, really?
Yeah, see? That's just the
Okay.
window.
4, 3,
2, 1.
I smell pudding.
I saw pudding too.
Holy shit! Steam!
Oh, hi.
What did you do?
It melted.
Debbie, you got the cap for this?
Smells like Nutella! Ew! Dad, come look at this. Look at this, Dad. Look at this. That's what we call pudding in a microwave.
Oh, it melted.
Yeah.
It smells good.
That wasn't too exciting, but this...
Behind this bush. Get down, get down. We'll go behind the car.
Oh, I'm on this pole.
Sorry about your windshield, Debbie.
Hey? We apologize in advance for the loss of your car.
I wonder what the hell it's doing now.
Are you something?
Even running?
Yeah.
Are you something?
What time did you set it for?
2 minutes.
2 minutes?
Oh?
There goes the pop.
What if it just melts the bottle?
Good point, Vicky.
Mom, put your glasses on.
Okay, see then. Yeah. Thank you, babe.
Oh?
Oh, another pop.
It doesn't blow up. We won't be able to open the door because in case it blows up when you open the door.
Yeah.
Mhm.
You're gonna have to leave there like overnight.
Oh? This must be what Mythbusters cameramen feel like.
Mythbusters.
Well, we just tested the myth that light bulbs turn pretty colors when you put it in the microwave.
Well, if the cap is holding, because if the cap lets go, then it won't be holding pressure, you know?
Or if it just melts.
It's still crackled. It's done.
Enjoy your meal.
Open the door.
Leave it. I think we should leave it.
You know how much pressure is in the bottle now?
That's why we should leave it.
We are not opening that door.
Dad,
Yeah?
Bad idea.
come inside.
Bad
with me.
idea. Do not open that
Come,
door.
Dad, come.
Okay, we're going to wait till it blows up. Wait.
It's not gonna blow up.
Okay. All right, tomorrow morning I'll open it up.
If it blows up, we'll hear it.
Mom, did you put away